Tongpin Mold, China-based source manufacturer. We specialize in precision spare part fabrication, high-speed stamping dies, LED IC semiconductor molds, custom jigs, fixtures, and automation equipment components. Expert in high-precision non-standard hard alloy customization, carbide punches, stamping mold assemblies, ejector pins, inserts mold inserts. Engineers by us are welcome to send drawings for quotation, fast response, reliable lead time, ready to support your projects. Every manufacturing step is vital for our precision molds and components, covering CNC, milling, turning ADM, wire cut ADM, heat treatment, and premium PG optical grinding from WAIDA WASINO. We adopt rigorous fine machining for all workpieces. Continuous in-process inspection across all stages enables us to maintain ultra-precise tolerance as tight as 0.002 µm and deliver reliable precision parts for semiconductor, LED, and connector progressive dies.